Namaste student, myself Gaurav Pawar. Welcome to the channel HP Education Hub educational YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you the third part about the difference between a scholar and a common student. Especially it is going to be a how to do study part. How to do study. Let's go on the topic. There are some methods which can give you a clear vision, a clear method, a clear path to do study accurately and perfectly as a scholar. As we see in last two parts of this series called difference between scholar and common student or a person, here first point is repetition. This method we have learned that repetition is the process of scholar or repetition is the method of scholar. What is the repetition? As we already learned in part 1, that repetition means when you learn something, repeat that thing more enthusiastically, more eagerly, more repeatedly, more focusedly. Okay? Which problem occurred when you repeat the thing same? The boredness. When a common person take this method and study repeatedly, which he or she have learned, he feels boredness. He becomes bored. What is the solution then? Solution is very easy. Don't leave. As US film star John Cena always told people that don't leave. Stay connected. Don't leave. Stay connected must be continue what you are repeating. What you have been repeating. Okay. Then second thing is focus. Focus is the main thing of any activity, any studying method. But the main problem in creating a focus is diversion. Diversion is the killer of focus. What is the solution? Make habit of ignoring things which dilute or divert you. There are so many things in our life, in a student's life, which can make him divert from his target, from his habit. Which habit? Repetition habit. When I am going to study, some noises disturbing me. Why? Because I have no habit studying in noise, study in diversion. So make the habit of study in diversion while any noise, anything diverting you, ignore that thing which is going to divert you. Make the habit of ignoring the things which diverts you. And this is most important thing. You have to learn if you want to become a scholar, if you want to become a specialist in your dreamed field. Okay. Third thing is learning. What learning? When you learn something, some study, some branch of study or some skills, Some students have slow learners, or some have facing the problem of they don't understand the topic. They think I can't able to understand this topic. They leave the subject, leave the topic in their mind. They think I can't capable to do this, or to do this study. So they are think I am no learning this topic. Okay, what is the solution? Main problem in studying is the method of today's student is doing vocally reciting method for learning anything. Reciting method is a bad method for studying anything. So as soon as possible, you leave this method and take the repetition method for studying anything you want to study. Leave the reciting method. Then what method you can get to do study? Repetition method. But how to study? Repeat the thing, but how a student repeat the study, repeat the learned thing? By fast reading and fast writing is the key of repetition tool of repetition. Which tool do you use for repetition? Fast reading and fast writing. Search on the net the benefit of fast reading and fast writing, and you know that fast reading and fast writing is the brain friendly method, and it's make you more and more clever, more sharp, more smart. And you were, as you seen in last topic, the main thing is oligodendrocyte activation. When the oligodendrocyte activated, when it's happen, when you think it's bored me, this study boring me, and when you don't leave the study and continuing the study and use the method of fast reading and fast writing, then you will become a scholar. You are becoming a scholar. Okay, then fourth thing is dream. Today's student have no dream. Ask 10 student what you want to become in your life, they don't have answer. They are going to school, they are studying, but they don't know why I am studying. So this is the main problem. No target, no dream. They are running without any target, without any goals. They are doing study, doing hard work without any target. Their target is only getting the marks. Why they want to get marks? Because their parents pushing them to getting more marks, their teachers pushing them, or they want to get mark, but why they want, they don't know. Okay, so first thing parent and teachers should do is must do is create dreams in their life. Make them dreamer, big dreamer. If they dream I want to be teacher, if any student want to be teacher, spread the dream, make the dream bigger and bigger. Be a highest or best teacher. If any student want be a doctor, not only a doctor but a best doctor is the best dream. Okay, so put the dream in their vision, create their visions. Okay, this is the duty of every teacher and every parents. Okay, fifth thing is curiousness. In old times, student have many curiosity, good curiosity. Today's student have curiosity, so many curiosity, but not related to their career, not related to their study topic, but related to the films, music, related to the many silly things, PUBG. So their curiosity is diverting them. Which curiosity is beneficial in old time? Today's the curiosity diverting the student from their career, from their scholarness, from their cleverness, and making them like a dull student. So make the student curious about good things. This is the solution. So today we have learned that there are 5 methods which student can use in their studying method. First is repetition. But the problem while repeating anything, the boredom is the problem. Solution is don't leave, stay connected, must to be continued. Second thing is focus. Problem is IMP. Most IMP thing in study is focus, and problem is diversion. Solution is make habit of ignoring the thing which dilute you. Third thing is learn. Problem is slow learning or no learning. Solution is leave the reciting method which destroys your mind and take the tool of fast reading and fast writing. Fourth thing is dream. Today's student don't have dream. This is the most student have problem to create the dream. Not only the dream but big and good dreams. Fifth thing is curiousness. Today's student have curiosity but not related to their study, their future, but wrong curiosity they have. So guide them to make their curiosity in good way. And in next topic we are going to see the benefit of fast reading and fast writing. Here we close the series of difference between scholar and common. Thank you for watching. If don't have yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you like the video, please like button and share. Thank you very much.